Hello, my name's Gary and welcome to the Cornwall Music Service Trust video newsletter for March 2022. In this video, we're going to have a look at some exciting musical activities for all of our young musicians in Cornwall, as well as some of our adults too. So let's have a look. The 7th of March is the closing date for the MusicEL music video competition. So if you've ever dreamed about having your own professional music video made, either for your performance, for your own piece of music, or for something else that your band's doing or your group or ensemble are doing, then this could be the perfect opportunity for you. All you've got to do, create your own music video, either something simple of you performing, or maybe something more elaborate with a storyline and more of a wider concept. Send it into the service and the winner will get their own professionally recorded video produced. Do you know what a Fiobo is? If not, it sounds and looks a little bit like this. On the 12th of March, Fred Jacobs is coming down as part of Carrot Concerts to do a workshop in the afternoon and a performance in the evening. So if you want to hear the awesome sound of the Fiobo, ask some questions, or even find out how to play one, then make your way over to Carrot Concerts to find out more information. From the 14th and 19th of March, the Cornwall Music Festival is happening down at Truro Methodist Church. And for all of our young musicians and older musicians alike, this is a great opportunity to show your performances. On the 14th, there's an opening concert with soloists and the Cornwall Concert Band. And on the 19th, there's another concert showing some of the best performances from the week. So it's worth checking out to see some up-and-coming young musicians in your area. And finally, at the end of the month, if Celtic, folk, punk is your thing, then you need to head down to the Old Bakery on the 26th of March. Ferocious Dog are performing, and if you don't know what that music sounds like, check it out here. Well, I hope you're able to make it down to one of these amazing performances. Something sparked your imagination, or if there's a new idea of something that you go, I need to see that in real life. Well, here's your chance. It's here in Cornwall. So head down, keep playing music, and until next time, bye.